thank God, we have a very good connection now with Singhasari Special Economic Zone. I present to you Ms. Natania Limanto. Thank you very much. Ms. Natia, time and screen for you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for the opportunity given for Singhasari Special Economic Zone. My name is Natania Limanto. I'm the Communication and International Relation Manager for Special Economic Zone Singhasari. Well, because of the time constraint, let me start right away into our presentation about Special Economic Zone Singhasari. First slide, please. So today we are going to go through quickly about what is Special Economic Zone Singhasari, where it is, the ecosystem that we have, and some opportunities that we have for Special Economic Zone. Next. Next, please. So as has been explained by the previous speakers, we have a few Special Economic Zones in Indonesia, and Special Economic Zone Singhasari is number 13th. And we are the first digital special economic zone in Indonesia, and we are located in the Java Island. Next. According to the government regulation number 68, 2019, we have two focus for the Special Economic Zone Singhasari. Number one is tourism, and number two is technological development. So we are focusing in these two areas that we are going to discuss today. For the tourism zone, there are a lot of opportunities, but because of the limitation that we have today, we are focusing on the health and wellness tourism. And for the technological development, we are going to discuss quickly three areas, which is Singhasari Digital Valley, Singhasari Cloud Innovation Center, and Singhasari Animation and Game Factory. Next, please. Next. To go through quickly about Singhasari, where it is, its location is in East Java province, and it's in the Greater Malang area. So it's not very far from Surabaya. It's only 70 kilometers from the Juanda International Airport, 100 kilometers from Tanjung Perak Port of Surabaya, 7 kilometers from the Malang city, and we also have an airport located nearby. It's only 15 kilometers from Abdurrahman Saleh International Airport. And there is a new exit toll road, and that's only 6 kilometers from the exit toll Singhasari Malang. And it's also located very closely to the National Park of Bromo Tengger Semeru. Next. And if we are talking quickly about the demographic in Indonesia, we are currently facing the bonus demography, which is should be very beneficial for Indonesia, because we have a lot of productive age workers that are ready to work and to contribute to the Indonesia digital economy. Next. If we see in the Indonesian demographic profiles, we have people aged 15 until 54 that are, quite large, the largest in the portion. And next, if we are focusing on the East Java population, next slide please. It's also reflecting similar numbers. The age 15 until 64, we have almost 70% of people in East Java. Next. And those people are the people that are in digital areas. They are using mobile phones, they are using digital equipments, and they are very interested in the digital area. So this number of audience or Indonesian people are very, very compatible with what we have at Special Economic Zone Singhasari. Next. Next. So if we are talking about the ecosystem in Special Economic Zone Singhasari, we agree that Indonesian digital ecosystem is rising. It has grown significantly since the year 2000. However, we see a lot of startups or newcomers, they come and go due to many reasons, from financing and regulations and other factors. So they need an ecosystem to nurture and to support them in order to grow and succeed in this digital economy. And that's where Special Economic Zone Singhasari play a very important role. We have a complete ecosystem with full support from various sectors, from financing, technology, regulation. And in this ecosystem, we have a technology park cluster with support of favorable tax and incentives that have been mentioned by previous speakers. And we are here to boost national digital economy and to create and develop profitable technology, small, medium enterprises. So we want to create jobs, we want to develop workforce, leverage global technology, and stimulate local economy. So as you can see in the presentation, we have a few potential collaborators. We have signed some MOUs with them. So we have Amazon Web Services, we have Telkom Indonesia Group, we have Agate, an animation company, we have Telkom Sigma, and we have SCAC Corporation, which is focusing in film industry. We have DG Max Cinema, Animation Studio, and we have a few education partners like ITS Surabaya, Polynema, State Polytechnic of Malang, and also a few education startups like Mau Belajar Apa and Simak Online. Next. In order to support the digital technology, the digital area in Special Economic Zone, we need human resources. We need qualified human resources. And Malang is known for its education and also for its creative industry. In education, we have 60 universities in Malang, universities and polytechnics. And in the digital aspects, Malang is known for its creative sectors. So it's also a house for digital workforce for Indonesia. Next, please. Next. So for technology development, as mentioned, we have education and digital that we are going to focus on. Next. And these are the 3 quick wins that we are going to quickly mention. So number 1 is Cloud Innovation Center, 2, Singhasari Digital Valley, 3, Singhasari Game and Animation Factory. I believe these 3 areas are very interesting for the Korean investors and companies, because Korea is very well known for its creative industry as well. And here in Singhasari, we host and we welcome creative companies, digital companies to work with us. So let me go through quickly one by one. So next, please. Singhasari Cloud Innovation Center. This is the area that we've been working on with Telkom Group and also with Amazon Web Services. We want to build this innovation center, this ecosystem to support and to leverage smart city industry. Next. And for Singhasari Digital Valley, as mentioned, we have worked with some of the major digital companies. We signed an MOU with them, and this is very important for us, and I think this is very interesting for Korean market. Next. And also for animation, film industry, and we have very strong workforce in Malang area, and we supply the main human resources in animation and digital factory in Indonesia, and they are all from Malang area. Next. And let me touch quickly regarding the tourism aspect in Special Economic Zone Singhasari. Special Economic Zone Singhasari is located in a very strategic place and very well known for its culture and for its wellness. The temperature is very cooling, it's very interesting, there are a lot of greens, and I think it's very, very suitable for health and wellness tourism. Next. So here we see that wellness tourism is a very, very profitable and has very good future. And combined with the location, which is in Special Economic Zone Singhasari, there can be a lot of potential collaborations and opportunities for both of us, for Indonesia and for South Korea. Next. Next. Okay, since this has been mentioned, I will just go through quickly that there are a lot of benefits for special economic zones. Next. This has also been mentioned by the previous speakers. Then let me finish this presentation by sharing that education is very, very important to support this ecosystem, to support the existing of Special Economic Zone Singhasari. Next. So for education, we have benefits in Special Economic Zone Singhasari. We can have foreign university open at Special Economic Zone Singhasari. So we welcome education partners, universities, polytechnics, or training operators to work with us because it's very beneficial and we want to work with you. So I think that concludes my presentation. I know the time is limited, but we have later question and answer. And if you are interested to know more about Special Economic Zone Singhasari, please be in touch with us. Thank you very much. Kamsahamnida.
Thank you very much, Natania Sumanto. I think as we going to the more and more presenter, I hope distinguished participants get a more clue that there is a backyard of investment at your place. What is Singhasari? Singhasari is just some minutes from Jeju Island. It's very close with a similar quality of environment, ecosystem. You have a good universities around. You have a good infrastructure. If talking about fiber optic, Singhasari is one of the best. So I think you can manage to start thinking to dial some of your becoming partners to come to Singhasari. More demographic, Indonesia is now educated, more IT, and I think it is start for you to come to start calling which special economic zone that can become your future and sustainable place to have your business beneficial goals realized.